Good morning, children. How are you all? Yesterday, I taught you the lesson 1, isn't it? Again, we have recalled, we underlined the text, some important points as fill in the blanks. Okay, once again, we recall the lesson. I made you to understand each and every question and answer. Okay, now here is a test. I said no yesterday itself that I'm going to conduct the test tomorrow. Here are the few question and answers. I did not give much, only 3 conceptual understanding, 1 appreciation, and just answer the following questions. Okay, see the first question is which animals help us in livelihood? Second question, write the names of any 4 animals which are disappearing. Third one, what are the different needs for which we depend on animals? So easy questions, children. Everything you can answer. If you don't, if you did not learn on also, just if you hear my classes, easily you can answer these questions, isn't it? Now, our second bit is appreciation. How do you feel when you watch the animals in the zoo? How do you feel when you watch the animals in the zoo? Next, friends of farmer. Next is the friends of farmer. Who are the friends of farmers? You can write any two here. Next, product from animals. What products we have learned? Just if you go through the textbook, you'll be knowing, isn't it? So, what are the products from the animals we get? That two you can write. And next is the extinct animals. Okay, next is the extinct animals. Okay, answer answer all the questions and write in the back of the class book. Okay, without saying you should write, children. Okay, without saying you should write. I'm going to check the classwork, isn't it? Now, uh, now coming to the second lesson. Already I taught you the second lesson and I asked you the few general questions also about what is the second lesson, agriculture and crops. What is that? Agriculture and crops. See here, what are the people in the picture doing? Which crop did they grow? State the different stages in the cultivation of crop shown. Whose services are needed in the cultivation of crop? What are the tools used for it? Where are the seedlings bought from? How are they processed? What is agriculture? What are required for agriculture? Okay, this all I made you to understand. Now let's children once again do as same as how we have done in the lesson 1. So let us underline few of the things. See the way the arrow mark is showing, there you can underline as fill in the blanks and you can learn these also as important points of the lesson. Now see, the process of growing crops is called agriculture. Okay, the process of growing crop is called agriculture or cultivation, anything. So underline agriculture. Okay, now next, here we also need to use different farm equipments in the different stage of cultivation. So you can underline the equipments here. Now next para, we all get our food because of farmers growing crops. Okay, so underline here farmers. Underline here farmers. And here, if the people in villages do not export their crop to other places, then people in cities do not get dash to eat. What is that? Food to eat. And here export, underline two blanks here. Now going to the next page. Here, equipment plays an important role in cultivation. Here, underline cultivation. What you have to underline? Cultivation. Now, next, downline, plow was used to till the field in the past. Plow was used to till the field in the past. So, underline plow. Here next, the use of machinery helps the farmers in reducing the manual labor and speeding the process of cultivation. Underline here manual labor. What you have to underline? Manual labor. Now seeds. Next page is about the seeds. Here, here no needed this one. The crop was good, but the yield was not. Here. Some of the seed companies are deceiving farmers by selling substandard seeds which do not germinate or sometimes not give a proper yield. So underline the proper yield and here deceiving. Underline these two. And here, do you know what is this here, children? Do you know? Here you can write we had 5,400 varieties of rice. Okay, 740 varieties of mango and 3,500 varieties of brinjal in our state up to a few decades ago. This is, you have to underline all 5,400 underline, 740, 3,500 you have to underline. Here, next, farmers used to borrow seeds from their neighbors. Okay, after the yield, they used to return more seeds. So then they borrowed. This method is called Nagulu. Underline this. Here, from farmers used to borrow seeds from their neighbors. After the yield, they used to return more seeds than they borrowed. This method is called Nagulu. Underline the Nagulu. Okay. Now, 2.4 sustainable farming. Here, there's all no need. Here, Panchagavya is a manure in a liquid form. Underline Panchagavya. See the arrow mark where I'm showing you. Okay. Next, Panchagavya is prepared by using cow dung, urine, milk, curd, ghee, banana, coconut water, and jaggery. This you have to underline. Okay. Here, next, Jivamrut is made using cow dung, urine, soil, jaggery, pulses, powder, and water. This also underline Jivamrut. Okay. Here, next. Okay. Go to the next page, 2.5. Here is about the women successor farmer. See the arrow mark. These crops do not consume much water. Here is a no. These crops do not consume much water. Which crops, children? Example, you can write here, any red gram, jowar, millets, whatever it is. Millets. Okay, you can write the millets that you can underline. Here we prepare biofertilizers using cow dung, neem leaves, and neem bark available in our fields. So underline biofertilizers. Underline the biofertilizers. We preserve the seeds by adding ash and neem leaves. That also you can understand. Here, we follow mixed crop cultivation so that we can produce more and earn more. Okay, this also we follow mixed crop cultivation so that we can produce more and earn more. Children, take a textbook and underline whatever I'm telling to you. Okay. Now, see here. The Deccan Development Society supports poor farmers in practicing sustainable cultivation in the surroundings. Up to surroundings only, you have to put a full stop because no need of Zaidabad in Sangareddy. Deccan Development Society goes along the state. So no need for specifying a place. Okay, you can underline the Deccan Development Society. Now, see pesticides 2.6. Not to eat any fruit without washing. Not to eat any fruit without washing. Okay, washing you put. Next, farmers spray pesticides to protect crops from insects and to get a good yield. Here, farmers spray pesticides to protect crops from insects and to get a good yield. Underline pesticides. Underline pesticides. Here, instead of using chemical pesticides, it would be better to use biopesticides. So, underline chemical pesticides. What we have to underline? Chemical pesticides. Now, here, use of chemical pesticides may increase the crop production for some time, but it kills useful insects along with the harmful ones. Okay, useful, underline the crop production. Okay, underline the crop production. Here, chemical fertilizers, right from here. Okay, usage. Here, the usage of chemical fertilizers and pesticides, remove the full stop. Also, it you cut, also increases soil and atmospheric pollution. Underline atmospheric pollution. Now, here, right, see, rice, wheat, jowar, maize, pulses, oilseeds are called food crops. Underline food crops. Cotton, jute, and mirchi are also called as commercial crops and cash crops. Underline these also. Here we can see the same crop in different varieties. Underline varieties. Okay, underline varieties. Here, next coming to the last para children, different crops needs different climatic conditions to grow. Different crops need different climatic conditions to grow. What you have to write here? Climatic conditions. Okay. Now children, here are the keywords. You write this and more hard words which you feel difficult. Ask them to write. Okay. Conceptual understanding. What is cultivation? What are the modern equipments that are used in cultivation? These all have given you in the classwork. The PDF I have sent you. You write it, children. And see here, name of the farmer. These all are the information skills you can write by your own. And is a mapping skill is there? No, it is already given in the textbook. You see that map, Telangana map, and answer these questions. Okay. Okay, now here are the, see, I can explain the different stages in cultivation, the equipment, the pesticides, and the seeds used in cultivation. I can explain what is ideal cultivation. I can collect information related to cultivation and write down in tables. I can explain details of the crop grown with the help of a state map. I appreciate the hard work of the farmers in cultivation. Okay, this all you can do. Children, I have given the notes in PDF. Write neatly. Okay, and the next class, be ready. After 2 days, I'm going to conduct the test also in the second lesson. Then only I'll go to the third lesson. Okay. I hope you understood better. Children, one more thing I'm always reminding you, be cautious, children. So, what we say, prevention is better than cure. Prevention is better than cure. If you take precautions before anything, you can be happy and safe, isn't it? So, stay safe, be happy. Don't go here and there. Bye, children.